Oil is an essential ingredient in so many dishes and recipes. Cooking oil adds texture to our food and makes it flavorful and rich, but too much can be unhealthy, and sometimes we need to watch our calories and find alternatives. Fortunately, there are some alternative, plant-based oils that deliver the same great taste, but without the harmful saturated fat. Sunflower oil is one of those. Low in saturated fat, sunflower oil helps lower cholesterol and reduces other health risks and is an excellent source of vitamin E. That's why I'm here at Smude Farms near Pierz, Minnesota, where they produce their own locally grown sunflower oil, flavored and infused cooking oils, and their very own Smude's microwavable and gourmet popcorn. Tom and Jenny Smude have been running this diverse family farm since 1998, where they also raise cattle for farm-to-table beef and infuse their sunflower oil with goat's milk for skincare products.
We were buying a lot of protein, so we decided to make our own protein on the farm, and we came up with sunflowers. The oil was actually going to be the byproduct. After 3 months, we went into food grade, and the oil we started bottling, went into farmers markets with it, and the whole thing took off from there.
Standard cooking oils, high in saturated fats, have been in kitchen cupboards for generations. But the sunflower provides an exceptional quality and flavorful oil that should be a staple in your own kitchen.
Sunflower oil is actually very heart healthy because of the high monounsaturated fats and the low saturated fats. So we like to tout it as being the healthy alternative to your other cooking oils.
Beautiful sunflowers, great to look at, great for our pollinators, and good for you. Consider trying sunflower oil with your favorite recipes or the next time you have movie night. Your heart, skin, and your taste buds will thank you.